Namaste, thank you very much. My name is Chef Amit Gaur and we are chef recruitment service providers in India. We provide overseas chef recruiting services. So if you are looking for some best Indian chef from India, this video is useful for you. First of all, my sincere gratitude and thank you watching this video. I am making this video because a lot of people has calling me from overseas that chef, can you hire a person for my restaurant, for my cafeteria and for my hotel and for my resort, because I am having a Indian department, the Indian food department, but due to COVID-19 my present chef has went to India and now I am starting again. So all those questions I am going to answer you in this video. First, again accept my sincere gratitude and thank you for watching this video. My name is Chef Amit Gaur. For more about myself, you can also visit to my website. My website address is www.chefamit.com. So you will come to know what are the services I am offering. I am basically a F&B consultant and I do consult across globally. I have my clients in Dubai, in Bangkok, in London, in Australia, and many brothers and sisters in India in more of the cities and states. So now let's talk about, if you are looking for hiring and recruiting chef from India, we are providing a very professional and scientific based chef recruiting services. As you know that I belong to hospitality industry and I worked with 15 years into kitchen department, and my last position was executive chef and corporate chef. I handled 40 hotels, and whatever scientific way of hiring people I have discovered and apply at my hotels, I am providing the same thing to my brothers and sisters across the world. Yes, scientific way of hiring peoples. This is the new terminology. I don't take trials of the peoples. I just do the skill mapping first, because when you take a skill mapping test of the people, you come to know what is his ability and what is his training needs. Everybody has training needs. So it's very important that first you need to have a skill mapping of the people according to your requirement, like according to the job requirement. Every job requirement has a specific requirement. So what myself and my team do it, we identify what are the job requirement is, and then we create a skill mapping platform, and then we interview people according to that, and then food trials, personal interviews and second round of interviews. So this is very, and we have noticed that the results was amazing. The engagement between the employer and the hiring agency, perfect. So if you want a good Indian chef, Indian, tandoori, barbecue, Chinese, continental, I think continental you don't are from India, because most of the chefs who are expert into Chinese food, they never been to China. So if you want authentic Chinese food, you always go to Vietnam, Thailand, Bhutan, and the peoples who have familiar to this type of food. It is my sincere advice, because if you're looking for a Chinese chef from India, I don't know, Indo-Chinese, so better is that. But if you want some best Indian curries, some tandoori and kebabs with some nice breads, different type of naans and rumali roti, like Indian frying breads, or Indian sweets. There are a lot of because I know in your country people have sweet tooth, and Indian sweet are perfect. So if you're looking for Indian halwais, call me 1, call me 2, chef de partie, sous chef or executive chef for your food business, I'm your brother, available in India, and we have team of 75 peoples across India who are associating with me. I'm very small company but very big name. I'm very like from last 7 years I'm doing consulting, and I did a lot of projects, and my sincere gratitude to all those who are giving me the opportunity. And I use this internet as a communication platform, and I would like to tell you, I'm the first chef in the world who also knows software programming and this Google and all. So I can using search engine optimization, and I teach people also, and hotel employees. I make my content on the first pages available to the peoples. That is the first thing you are finding me. Second thing is that I'm training and teaching all those people's F&B and kitchen people how to make food business successful, and recruitment is also one of the services which I'm talking about today. So any type of services regarding recruitment in India, from India actually, to your country, we are expert into overseas recruitment, and we can help you find a good chef and interview them, and according to the job description, and I'm sure we'll have a great association. Again, thank you very much, gratitude for watching this, and if you have any requirement of chef, my phone number, email address, everything you will find down to the video. You can talk to me. If I don't pick up your phone call, no worries, just WhatsApp me. I have the same number WhatsApp available, so you WhatsApp me the requirement and I'll come back to you. Thank you very much, take care, bye bye. For all type of chef recruitment services, you can contact us. I'm sure we'll get you a good people for your food business. Take care, bye bye.